Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by locking in the key and basic groove. The song sits in B minor, so practice the B natural minor scale slowly. Once done, set tempo near 84 BPM to match feel and choose a clean piano sound. Place your left hand on the root and fifth, B and F hash, and play a steady quarter note pulse. This anchors the harmony while freeing your right hand to add melody and fills. This early focus makes later coordination far easier. Now you tackle the right hand. Break the vocal melody into short 2 to 4 bar phrases and loop each phrase slowly so you internalize rhythm and intervals. Then layer in chord voicings, BM, G, D, A, using inversions to connect smoothly. This reduces hand movement and clarifies the harmony. Once comfortable, add syncopated fills and occasional octave jumps at eighth note subdivisions to mimic the original's drive. Make sure to practice hands separately, then slowly combine them until coordination feels natural. Finish by assembling the full arrangement. Play intro, verse, chorus, and bridge in order, marking transition bars with clear chord anchors so you never lose position. Once combined, shape dynamics. Bring the chorus up in volume and use the sustain pedal sparingly to avoid muddiness. Then practice tempo swells for expressive moments. If something goes wrong, isolate the problematic bar, slow it to about 50% speed, loop it until clean, and then reintegrate. This targeted repetition fixes timing and coordination quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.